So the story name is Better Life, Better Gift. Okay. Remaining, meanwhile, you can also go on reading, children. Okay. Fastly. The inspirational short story is about a young man who asked his father for a gift car as a gift for his high school graduation. The young man felt confident his father would buy a car for him because his old man's salary could afford such a purchase. Okay, he can afford that. He thought that the young man means that child thought that his father can afford a car. Okay, the after thinking about this, he asked his father. Okay, imagine his disappointment when graduation day came. Instead of a car, his father gave a watch. I didn't ask for this. He yelled at it at his father, means he extremely, by seeing very, what we'll call angrily, he told that I didn't ask for this watch. He asked a car, but he given watch. That's why he told that he became angry, and he told that he yelled at his father. I didn't ask for this. It is a better gift, my son. Father told, you don't have a need for a car. What you have need for is time and learning to manage it well. Okay, not only for that child, for everyone, most important is time. For everyone, for every, even prime minister, even for us also, for children, for everyone in this world, most important is time and learning to manage it well. Okay, we have to manage our time well. His father told like that. He felt terrible for having high hopes, and from then on he had a ragging heart and wouldn't want to be in the same room as his father. Means he is staying away from his father. He is neglecting, means he's not listening to his father. From that time, from he has given the watch to his son, when father given watch to his son. Next, without his father providing for him, he learned to work. Okay, this he didn't even care his father. He learned his own way, that work or everything, and worked hard until he realized his father was right. Means if you go on working lot, you will get to know the value of time. Okay, you will think that yes, I am utilizing the time, and I have to utilize more time because I am learning so many things. You feel like that. So that's why he realized that is time. If because his father given him watch and told that you have to know about the value of time, and you have to learn how to manage it. So that's why without his father providing for him, he learned to work. Is that work everything he learned on himself, and worked hard until he realized his father was right. It was true. He did not need a car. He didn't need a car back then. Okay, if you utilize your time properly, buying a car, buying anything, or learning mathematics or physics, math, science, environment science, anything, it is very easy. But what you have to do, provided you have to utilize your time properly. Okay, you have to utilize your time properly and eager to learn. So this son also realized that it is true, he didn't need a car back then. Okay, he is not expecting car from his father, because he learned to manage time, and he learned the value of time. Okay, if his father gave him a car when he asked for it, he wouldn't have learned the value of hard work. Add to that, okay, add to that the lesson of managing time. Okay, so after realizing that he has learned the lesson of managing time. Okay, after this realization, he tried locating and called his father. He wanted to make amends, admit his fault, and express gratitude for a valuable lesson. Okay, the uncomfortable part is he was too late. He got what his father passed away week ago. Okay, so the unfortunate part was, so means unknowing part was that his father was died. His father was too late, means late means died. Okay, he got what his father passed away a week ago. When he learned from the experience is that his father has his best interest at heart, though his father didn't show it. He had his back and wanted him to succeed in the long haul. Okay, so since his father is able to, first in this after reading passage, what we have to do? We have to think of it. After completing the passage, we have to just sit calmly for 30 seconds and grab those important points. Summarize. You have to summarize. Okay. If you are unable to find that 4 important points in that passage, in that story, what you have to do? You have to go through that story again. Okay. Then you will get to know that more important, most in this, what happened first, he know that his father can afford car and he asked for his father to give a car. That's the first point. And second point is his father given watch. Okay, watch. And after seeing that watch, what he has thought, my father didn't even given my what I want. Okay, so then after third point, most important point, most valuable point, what he told, he told that you have to utilize your time. You have, that's why I have given your watch. You will able to know the value of time. You have to learn the value of time. Okay, that's the third point. After fourth point is he's gone neglecting his father and he is working on himself. Okay, he's didn't care his father, and he realized that I can afford a car, I can buy a car my own. Okay, so he realized that the value of time. Okay, even in your life also you can relate it. If you don't know two table also, no problem, but what you have to do, you have to spend time. Okay, you can learn any time. Okay, if you complete it, if your friend know 20 tables also, no problem. You have to spend time. Time is most important and you have to manage the time. So fourth point is he has realized it, and after realizing his father is no more, so he didn't buy a car, but still his father was died. Okay, what you have to, the moral of the story, so 4 points completed. The moral of the story is we must be positive, we must have positive attitude. If he had thought that, if he has taken his father's advice properly, he still, he has told for my sake only. Okay, he has telling for my value, for adding value to my life only. Okay, if you think that, okay, already Tanvi also told, we have to take everything. Okay, everything in our life we have to take in a positive way. Now corona came. Okay, this corona also taught us, you are using this Zoom online classes. Have you ever thought you will be in front of these laptops and watching these online classes? No, but this changed the whole world. But you have to learn all these things, because this digital, this world is growing a lot only in digitally. Okay, this cash and everything is going in the digital way. Okay, that's why you have to update. Already you have updated, you are sitting in front of the laptop or phone, in the phone, and you are watching the online class. Okay, you have got that much confidence. Okay, now this indicate that you have moved one step. Okay, what do you have to do? You have to spend your time and learn something. Okay, if you won't get also, no problem. We have to think that we have to, in a positive attitude means what, if you won't get also, no problem. What you have to do, you have to realize that I didn't spend time on these studies, I didn't spend time on this learning something, learning two table or learning three table. I have neglected in my past. Okay, previous years I have neglected in this my previous life. Okay, you have to think like that. And what you have to do in this present now, you have to concentrate, you have to learn, focus. Okay, laser sharp focus you must have. Now this class also, okay, at the end of this I will take last 5 minutes also. Okay, what do you have to do now? Listen properly to this SAS class. Okay, you have to learn, you have to spend the time. Okay, everyone, if your friend get 20 table means, you don't know how he learned, how much hours he spent for that learning. Okay, he might have spent at least 20 hours for learning that, but you didn't even spend 1 hour and you are feeling negatively towards yourself. What you have to think, you have to think positively. Yes, I didn't spend time on this learning, I didn't learn this. Now what I have to do, I have to spend time. Okay, that's the positive attitude. You have to take everything as positive. If you take COVID also positive, what you will get? Okay, you are getting time to invest in online. Okay, online or digital world. Okay, you are involved in the digital world. You are watching in mobile phone. You are there in some mall, there in Karimnagar, some mall there in Manchal, but still you are watching from there. Okay, so you are developed a lot, you are developing still. Okay, you must go on developing, you must develop. Okay, right. Now sir will continue the class. Okay, right.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Very
Good morning,
good
sir.
morning, children. Very good
Morning,
Very
sir.
good morning. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Right. Okay, children, once newcomers introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Ashit Ramsar. New joining, sir.
Very good. From where are you?
Srihita, new joining, sir.
All right. Okay. Right. Next to you, ma.
From Peddapalli, Shadnagar, sir.
Okay. Good. Next.
Akshit Yadav from Mancherial.
Very good. Next. Children, good morning. All of you put on the videos, children. Andaru kuda videos on cheyandi. Right. Next.
Sir, my name is Sirmoni. I am from Peddapalli,
Okay.
Shantinagar.
Very good. Next. Right. Okay. Next.
Sir, my name is Nalini.
Right. Okay.
Sir, my name is Tanvi and I am from Hyderabad.
Right. Okay.
My name is Hyderabad.
Okay. What's your father name?
Sir, my name is Nalini.
Okay. Right.
Purtipriya from Godavari, school, sir.
Okay. Very good, ma. Very good. Right.
Put on your videos, children. Put on your videos. No one will tell anything for you. Put on your videos confidently.
Sayakshit, put on your video. Nalini, Moguram Sai, Yashwant Rishi. Right, okay. Today I will introduce one new topic.
Okay, sir.
Sini.
Your mic.
Put on your mic. How many members forfeit in tables? Up to 20 tables. Once raise your hands, show your thumb like this. Show your thumb. How many members forfeit in multiplication tables up to 20? Raise your hands. Show your thumb, children. 20 tables. Okay, right. Next.
Sir, 14, sir.
Up to 14. Okay, right. Down to up, how many tables? Down to up to how many members can tell up to 20 tables? Down to up. Kinda nunchi paina ko.
Sir, I can
Sir, 15 tables come, sir. Me too. Down to up.
Okay, okay. Adriteshwar,
Sir,
are you ready to tell? Adriteshwar.
Get ready, Adriteshwar.
okay, sir.
You have to tell 15 table from down to up. Okay, good, good. Right, put on your mic fastly.
Sir, ready.
Yes, wait a minute. Here is Adriteshwar. Yes, put on your mic and go ahead.
Right, you turn your mobile like this, horizontally, right? Okay. Adriteshwar, start.
Okay, next. If he is not there, means we can take. Next, who are ready? Network issue for him, I think, maybe. Next,
Madhulika,
Madhulika, are you ready to tell up to how many tables you are perfect? From down to up. Unmute yourself fast.
Sir, down, top, down, serial.
Okay, up to down, how many tables you are perfect?
2 down.
Next, who are perfect? Up to 20
Okay.
tables, you
newcomers,
okay. 2 tables.
Okay. Unmute. సార్ మీ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. మధుకర్ సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. మీ బాబు ఒకసారి ఎన్ని టేబుల్స్ వరకు వస్తాయి సార్ బాబుకు?
12.
ఓకే, సే 12 టేబుల్.
12 to the 14, 12. 12 3 is 24, 12. 12 3 is 20. 36, 12. 12 4 is 50. 48. 12 5 is 60. 12 6 is 72. 12 7 is 80. 84. 12.
Good.
12 8 are 96. 12 10 are 120.
12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120. Okay, very good. Right, okay. Right, okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Tanvi, how many tables have you followed? Tanvi.
Sir, 16, sir.
Okay, tell me, ma. 16 table. Okay.
16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160.
Okay, very good. Right. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, children, you have to revise regularly. That's why only you are struggling to tell. Okay, no problem. Practice makes man perfect. మనము నిరంతరంగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి. So today I will introduce one part in mental ability. Just you observe carefully and give answers immediately if you know. Right, okay, mental ability. Enough. Mental ability. Mental ability test, MAT. In this mental ability test, we have 10 parts. So first one is odd man out. In this odd man out, in Navodaya entrance test, other name for odd man out is classification. How many questions? Yes, how many questions comes from in odd man out? Do you know? 4 questions.
Four questions, one
Four
question,
questions.
1 1/4 marks, total
Yes,
5
what
marks.
is odd man out?
In
Yes.
question numbers 1 to 4, 4 figures A, B, C, and D
Have been given in each question. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and
OMR
match up to the imaginary number.
which is
Fill in the circle in the
Okay,
order chart.
right, okay, you understood, okay,
Corresponding
right, okay, right, okay.
the OMR sheet.
In this 4,
Sheet against the number
they will
corresponding
give
to the
4 questions.
Sir, option 3.
In this odd man out.
3.
Okay, okay.
Sir, option 3. Sir, option 3. So first one option 3 I will cause 1, 2, 3 are birds. Third one is elephant.
అడిగిన వాళ్ళే చెప్పండి, ఓకే, అడిగిన వాళ్ళు చెప్పండి.
First option 3.
మీరు కింద చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి ఆన్సర్స్ ను. చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఆన్సర్ టైప్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏముంది? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పారు, చాలా మంది ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పారు. ఏమని చెప్పారు? ఆప్షన్ 3, 1, 2 and 4 are birds. 1, 2 and 4 are birds, except this third. These are birds. Third one is what? Animal. So that's why third one is the answer you told like that. Okay, so మీరు చాట్ బాక్స్ ఉంది. మళ్ళీ మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఈ జూమ్ ఇంకా 10 minutes ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్. So what is the first answer in this first problem, first question? Third one is the answer. సో మీకు చాట్ బాక్స్ ఉంది, మీరు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్ అని పెట్టి. ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏముందో ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రైట్ గా థర్డ్ 3 అని టైప్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పేది నాకు వినరాదు. మీరు అందరు మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు. మీరు ఆన్సర్ టైప్ చేస్తేనే నాకు కనబడుతుంది. నేను చూస్తాను మీ నేమ్స్ వైజ్ గా. ఓకేనా? టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను ఎవరెవరు ఎన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేశారో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ క్వశ్చన్ from Jain University 1987. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test 1987 question. So here we have, see these figures carefully. All of you observe these figures. So which is correct? Which is different in this? Here we have 3 figures. This is a cat, dog. ఓకే, మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేసేటి నాకు కనబడుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్, గుడ్. అక్షిత్, ఓకే, రైట్. రేవంత్, ఓకే. యశ్వంత్, రైట్, ఓకే. మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ క్యాట్, డాగ్, కుకు, ర్యాట్, విచ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్? సో మీరు టైప్ చేయండి అమ్మా, ఆన్సర్ టైప్ చేయండి. సెకండ్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఏదుందో టైప్ చేయండి. రైట్, ఓకే. సో విచ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్? సో థర్డ్ వన్ is the answer, different. Third one is the different. These are animals. So except this third one, remaining all are this can fly. This third one, cuckoo, can fly. So that's why this third one is the correct option. Okay, right? Understood? మీరు అందరూ కూడా టైప్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ here we have see your children. మీరు టైప్ చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ టైప్ చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ లో మీకు అందరికి అందరు చేశారు. రైట్, ఓకే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ in second, third, in third, children, identify this. So type children, ఆన్సర్ టైప్ చేయండి మీరు. ఓకే, మధులిక, రైట్, ఓకే, ఓకే. సో ఇన్ దిస్ మీరు చేసింది కరెక్ట్ గా చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ వెజిటేబుల్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ వెజిటేబుల్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్లవర్. సో ఇన్ దిస్, what is the correct option? This is also 1987 question. Okay, this first, second, and fourth figures are cruel animals, so wild animals. This third one is goat. This is the meek. Very good, very good, right. So sadhu jantuvu, this is goat, right, very good, right, okay. Next in this, mango, apple, క్యారెట్, పనస పండు ఇది. సో విచ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్? వేరుగా ఉన్నదాన్ని గుర్తుపట్టండి. రేవంత్, ఓకే, రైట్, ఓకే. అక్షిత్, ఓకే, గుడ్, 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 రైట్, ఓకే, రైట్. మీరు ఒక నెంబర్ వేయండి అంతే. ఓకే, రైట్, ఓకే. సో almost all members identified this third one. Very good. This is the right, okay, good, good. These are fruits except 1, 2, and 4 are fruits. This is the vegetable. Okay, right, okay. So children, sixth one, which is different in this? Illa different edu undi? Right, okay. Right. Lakshmi, Sanvi, Revant, Tanvi. Right, okay. Almost all members ticked this, except 1, 2, 4. These are except this third one. Remaining 1, 2, 4 are formed by line segments. This third figure is formed by curves. ఇది ఒకటి మట్టుకు curves తో ఫామ్ అయింది. So this is the correct option. So which is different in this? Okay, in this, these are different. Inner figure and outer figure is different. In this also, inner figure, outer figure is different. In this also different. So these are same number of sides, inner figure and outer figure. So option 2 is correct. So almost all members chosen this option. Okay, very good. Next. Which is correct in this? 2 wrong. Two wrong. Right, okay. Almost all members selecting this fourth one. So ఎందుకంటే చూడండి కేర్ఫుల్ గా ఈ సైడ్స్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ లేక షేప్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ షేప్స్ చూడండి, ఈ మెజర్మెంట్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏ తేడా అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? కేర్ఫుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. కేర్ఫుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఏది డిఫరెన్స్ గా ఉంది? ఫోర్త్ వన్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. రైట్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్, this is a Navodaya book, textbook.